continue to babble again. I really want to appreciate you all for coming out. I love you all for traveling here, for spending time with me, for drinking, for being festive, for dressing up. Everything that you've accomplished in your lives, I'm proud of as well. Thank y'all. I love y'all.
Good morning. Whew. So I just finished my workout and I am on my way to go to Floor and Decor with my mom. I'll actually be filming and we are going to be transforming her pantry. We're gonna make it over and organize it. I got my coffee, yum. And I am on my way to go pick up my mom. So I'll see you guys at the store. Decor with my mom. Say hi. Mom, don't be weird. So, what do you think? I don't like it, but. Oh, you don't like it? I mean, but it's your pantry. I like this a little better.
Oh, you like this?
I like the color.
This is like, this is toned down. Like, toned down, like this, toned down just a little bit.
Oh, this one?
Toned down like this color.
Oh, like gray?
Yeah, gray, little gray.
Okay, then you would like it?
Yes.
This is nice.
This one.
But that's not nice, the price. So the price isn't what you want.
You know what all these colors that we don't try?
Mm-hmm.
If you see it in the places.
Oh yeah, it probably looks good. Well, yeah. Like, what about this? It's $139.
This looks nice. It's very almost to that color we have.
It's a warm gray. It's a warm gray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's put this one in. It looks nice.
Okay.
I like this.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it.
It's nice. Like I said, it's just the clash of styles, you know?
Yes.
Because when you consider, you know, the living room is like this.
It's like, yes, living room
It's
is like
very similar to this.
Yeah.
And then you have this. And then you think about the cabinetry you have. That's very traditional.
Yes.
It kind of starts to look a little off. But then again,
Yes, you can paint.
yes, you can paint the cabinetry white.
You can paint
Which
it
is what I would
white
prefer.
or black.
Or you can stain it to really, oh yeah, even if it's like a chestnut or a very oak, or not oak, but like a dark wood color, this would look nice in it.
Yes.
It's nice. I mean, it's matte.
I love that.
Okay. Well. Ooh, really. So this is my mom's pantry. As you can see, there are a lot of things behind me. This is years and years of accumulation. Things that have come from my sister's apartment, from my auntie, from everywhere. So this is like the storage area because the garage is full of stuff. So. But yeah, this is it. I'm super excited about it because it is definitely a pretty decent project because we will be changing these. So the goal is to change all of the shelves to actual wood, keep the same structure. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. So the goal is we're going to keep the shelves the way they are, just a structure, because this is probably, it makes the structure of it now makes the most sense. And then over here is going to be a big change because this is where you would essentially put your clothes that you want to dry. But actually I'm going to keep them over there. The goal is to separate the laundry room from the pantry and add more shelves over here. So there'll be 5 shelves, including this one. And this is going to be the appliances area. So the small appliances will be here. So the toaster, the George Foreman, the blenders, the juicers, all that great stuff will be on that side. So yeah, it's pretty much going to be white in here. I may bring in a wallpaper over here just to have like a featured wall. But other than that, it's going to be white. And we're finally going to get rid of these linoleum old school vinyl flooring and put in some tile, as you saw in the previous clips. It's just lack of storage here. The goal is to change it up, maybe add some more shelving or maybe a cabinet in here, and just to make this a really nice functional laundry room. I also may put wallpaper there. I'm super excited about this, so stay tuned for, we're gonna call it Pantry Takeover, She Rescued It series coming soon, and or video coming soon, and the series coming soon. And yeah, I'm super excited. I am on my way to Ikea to meet up with a friend slash client. She is an amazing realtor in Houston, and I have known her since high school. So we have a lot of history with each other. So yeah, this is an impromptu trip to Ikea, which is always great because usually my impromptu trips are the best because I usually find like these items that I never see online because I'm usually shopping online at Ikea before I actually go to Ikea. So yeah, you have a shelf, you'll have a drawer.
So then the drawer can come.
You want to be able to see inside, so as long as it's eye level, because when you pull it out, because if it's too high, you won't see what you have, but you want it high enough. But I would put a drawer. This is what I would do: shelf, drawer, and maybe these. Because shelf, drawer, and you can't. Right. Shelf, drawer, and then this, and then these. So maybe you can bring one of these in too for your makeup. Because usually this is for like jewelry and like.
Well, yeah, I want
stuff.
This because I do have jewelry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's add. Okay, so we have the drawer, and then put it again. So she said.
These are new. Huh. So we are in the home organization department and we are looking for some bins. So this is the fun part for me. Oh, we got what we got.
We did. We did.
Bye, girl. That's it. I think I've edited for a while. I'm actually going to try to finish editing this video today, but that's pretty much all I'll be doing today. So yeah, today was a very eventful day. On the days that I'm not actually organizing a client's home, I'm usually working on a video or I'm working on some internal business stuff. And that's pretty much what today was. Also, I did go to Ikea with my friend to help her pick out some stuff for her closet wardrobe. So that was fun, of course. But yeah, ooh, look, can you see the back? I'm working on something. I'll be painting that wall really soon and I'll be showing you guys how I paint it. Anywho, yeah, this is gonna be probably the last thing that I do today. If I do end up doing something else, I'll pick up the camera, but other than that, that is about it. My days are pretty busy and non-stop, so yeah, that's me. So anywho, so let me know in the comment section below, what else would you like to see? I kind of like the feel of vlogs because it allows you to see, like, I guess, me in real time more so than me after, or yeah, after I've edited a video. And of course this is edited, but it's not as edited as a video is, a regular video is. My lips are so chapped. Yeah, my arm hurts. This is painful. Anywho, so let me get back to editing. Well, I'm gonna stop for a little bit, but get back to editing, drink my tea, and yeah, end my day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.